There are two main levels of family tree. This is the family tree view or the pedigree chart. Each one of these people that are listed here has an individual details page, and everyone is encouraged to look at the details on their relative and make changes if they know of more information than what is there. This is called an open edit program. If I click on the name of one of my relatives, I will be able to see the summary card. This gives me a summary of the information that is on the details page. The picture of him, his name, the number that was assigned by Family Tree to him. I can watch if anyone else is working on this same person and be notified by Family Search if I click that right there. And then I can collaborate with that person. I can see his birth and death information. If anything's incorrect here, I can't change it from this point of view, but I can on the next level on the details page. I can also see if there's any sources attached, any memories attached, photos and stories and documents, any collaboration going on. If I'm logged in as a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, I will be able to see if there's any temple work that's been done, or is yet to be done, or is in progress. If I wanted to put him in the center position of the family tree, I could click on the word tree. If I wanted to go to his details page, I would click on the word person or click on his name. Either one will take me to the next page. On this details page, I can see his name and a little bit of his vital information. I could view him in the center position of the tree from here. I could click on watch or unwatch from here, and I can view my relationship. The tabs across the top are the details. We'll be talking more about that in a minute. The timeline, sources, collaborate, memories, including photos and stories, and any ordinances that have been done. We'll talk more about these tabs in another video. On the details option of this page, we have the opportunity of putting in a life sketch. Some people like to put in a brief story about their relative. If you want to put in more information, you can go to Memories and create a story. On vital information, if there's anything incorrect on your relative, whether it's the spelling of a name or a date or place, you're welcome to click on the word edit and make those changes. We'll go into more details on editing in another video. The next category is called Other Information. There is a drop-down list of suggested other information you might want to include. There's alternate name, and I can click on that and put in his birth name, married name, nickname. I can also see some opportunities to put in other affiliations, bar mitzvah, naturalization, religious affiliation, stillbirth, or custom events. Here I put in his nickname, where he lived in any particular year, and his occupation. The next category is how he fits into family settings. This column on the left shows how he is with his spouses and his children. So here he is as a husband to Mildred and his children here. If he had a second wife, I can click on Add a Spouse, put in her name. He would show up down below, Thomas Watson, with his second wife and the children he had with that spouse. In this right-hand column, it shows how he is related with his parents and his siblings. So here he is. He's in dark highlight because we're on his page. Here's his biological parents and his brother. This is interactive. I can click on that, go to his details page from here if I'd like. I also decided to add a parent for him, and I put in his stepfather's name. So now he's showing up with his stepfather, his biological mother here, and he is the stepchild. Up at the top of this page, we have record hints or research help, and I can add this record to his sources so it will verify and validate the information I have on the vital information. I will show you how to add a record in another video. From here, I could research family search information, digitized and index records, Ancestry.com, Find My Past, which is a good database for England research, MyHeritage, and Geneanet. Latest changes are all the changes that have been made since Family Tree began in 2011. I can click on this, and if there's anything I would like to restore to the way it was instead of the way it is right now, I can just simply click on the word Restore, and it will go back to the way it was. I'll give more detail later. Continuing on down the page, under Tools, we could edit labels, check for possible duplicates, find similar people, merge by ID, report abuse, delete person, and then down below here are some print options: pedigree chart, portrait pedigree, fan chart, family group sheet with sources. This is the information that can be found on the details page for your relative.